Have you ever been cruising down a perfectly clear road when your truck suddenly slams on the brakes for absolutely no reason? It's a terrifying experience that is happening to a lot of owners right now. Stick around until the end of the video, where we discuss what it takes to fix this and the potential repair costs involved. When this phantom braking happens, it usually starts with your forward collision alert going completely crazy. You might get rapid flashing red lights reflecting on your windshield, loud emergency beeping, or even that sudden vibration in your driver's safety seat. Before your foot can even reach the pedal, the truck nosedives as the automatic emergency braking system kicks in hard, which can bring you to a complete dead stop right in the middle of a moving lane. A lot of drivers immediately assume a front sensor is just covered in mud, or they think the radar unit got knocked out of alignment by a highway rock. But when you pull over to check the front grille and the windshield, everything is completely clean and undamaged. This highly dangerous phantom braking issue is actively affecting the 2023 through 2024 Chevrolet Colorado and the 2023 through 2024 GMC Canyon. General Motors has issued a major safety recall for this exact problem under campaign number 24VE133000. The root cause comes down to the front camera module, which acts as the primary eyes for your collision avoidance systems. Due to a specific software programming anomaly from the factory, that camera module is essentially hallucinating. It falsely detects a phantom obstacle in your forward path and triggers a panic stop to avoid a crash that isn't actually about to happen. This software glitch creates an incredibly dangerous situation in moving traffic. And looking through owner forums and Reddit threads, the real-world stories are pretty stressful. Many Colorado and Canyon owners report nearly getting rear-ended on the highway because their truck suddenly dropped 20 miles per hour out of nowhere. Other owners have mentioned turning off the collision avoidance system entirely every time they start the truck just to feel safe, which defeats the entire purpose of paying for those safety features. Fortunately, GM has developed a definitive fix for this under recall number N232424660. The repair requires a completely revised software calibration for your front camera module. This updated software improves the internal object detection algorithms, helping the camera properly filter out false positives and completely eliminate the phantom braking condition. The great news is that you might not even need to leave your driveway to get this sorted out, as GM is actively deploying this updated calibration via over-the-air software updates. If your vehicle has active connected services, you might simply see a prompt on your infotainment screen, letting you accept and install the new software securely right in your garage. If your truck isn't eligible for the wireless update, or if the download fails to install, you will need to take it in for service. A GM technician will manually connect your truck to the official GM diagnostic network and flash the module using their official software. If you want to check your system status yourself before heading to the dealer, a capable two-way OBD2 scanner can help you read any hidden communication codes in the camera module. But the dealership still has to push the official update. Now, let's talk about the repair cost for this software fix, because this is an active high-priority safety recall. Having the module updated is performed entirely free of charge at your local dealership. However, to give you an idea of what this would cost out of warranty, a standard module software flash typically runs about $100 to $150, at an independent shop charging $95 an hour. At a dealership charging $145 an hour, you could expect an out-of-pocket estimate closer to $150 to $200 for the diagnostic time and module programming. Have you experienced terrifying phantom braking in your Colorado or Canyon? Let me know in the comments below, and please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more straight-to-the-point vehicle diagnostics.